morning, this is Tulik Beg. How may I assist you?
Good morning, my name is Claudia Silva and I would like to schedule an appointment with a representative regarding opening a business account.
Certainly, Ms. Silva, may I know what type of business you're opening the account for?
It's my consulting firm. I'd like to understand the account option available and the required documents.
I see. We have business account specially available. Would you prefer a morning or afternoon appointment?
An afternoon appointment would be better.
We have an available slot on Monday at 3 p.m. or Wednesday at 1 p.m. Which one do you prefer?
Monday at 3 p.m. works for me.
Great. I've scheduled your appointment with Ms. Mala on Monday at 3 p.m. at our main bridge. Please bring your business registration documents, identification, and any financial records if available.
I understand. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome, Ms. Silva. We look forward to seeing you on Monday. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great day too.